good evening, everyone.
Very good evening.
My name is Sahib Kumar. I am from Haryana. My name is Sahib Kumar. I am from Haryana. I, I am pursuing BCA for Indira Gandhi National University in Delhi. I I am nuclear family. Such me.
Talk about your hobbies, talk about your dreams, talk about your goals, talk about your philosophies.
My hobbies football and my hobbies football and software engineer. Sir,
Okay. And why do you want to be only a software engineer? Why do you want to be only a software engineer? Can somebody ask you some questions related to your stream, your BCA? So do you have some questions you can ask? You belong to a technical field.
Sure. So as you said, you want to become a software engineer. So there are multiple fields, like you want to be a Java developer, you want to go in testing, you want to be a data analytics, or you want to become a data scientist. So in which stream do you want to dive?
data engineer. Data engineer.
Data engineer. So do you have any idea about data engineering, or are you studying from anywhere?
Other countries में
In other countries?
in other countries in the value में other countries में इसकी value
Okay, there is a value of data.
this is a value of data and other countries.
So is there any dream company with which you want to work?
Is there any dream company you want to join? Like Google, Microsoft, Deloitte,
अच्छा
Salesforce, or any other brand that maybe
My-
I don't know you know.
and Microsoft and Google's.
Okay. As you have said, there is a value of data science in other countries. Why do you think that there is no value of data in India? Why do you think that there is no value of data science or data engineering in India? आपको क्यों लगता है कि जैसे आपने कहा है कि डेटा साइंस की ज़्यादा वैल्यू है ना अदर कंट्रीज में, ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि इंडिया में नहीं है वैल्यूज की?
एक्चुअली अदर कंट्रीज में ज़्यादा काम होता है इसका.
एनी अदर थिंग्स दैट यू वांट टू टेल अबाउट यू? करियर के अलावा आपके कोई गोल है? थार लेनी है,
यस सर.
क्रूज पे जाना है, चांद पे जाना है, ऐसा
चांद
कोई गोल है?
adventures and car and house.
So which is your dream car? Which car do you want to buy in your life? The first car you want to buy?
First car in the Thar.
Thar. So do you want to kill someone? आप इसको मारना चाहते हैं? Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
No. Then why do you want to buy a Thar? You can buy only a Honda City. Any other dream that you want? Okay,
No,
what are you working on right now? Do you have any goal in your life? Any short term or long term goal?
ये data engineers.
Okay, you are working on your data engineering. So, are you learning any course from anywhere?
Yes sir.
Are you pursuing any course? आप कहीं से सीख रहे हैं अभी?
Yes sir.
और कुछ आप अपने बारे में बताना चाहते हैं?
No.
That's all. Okay. Well then, clap your side.